Sencon's automatic buckle gauge tests beverage cans from 200 to 211 diameter. It has the unique ability to automatically handle two body diameters and any can height within its specification without adjustments or change parts. Additional diameters can be easily accommodated via quick change jaws. No other gauge on the market has this level of flexibility. Measurement data is displayed in pounds per square inch, kilopascals or bar, and is handled by Sencon's Process Master software, which is common across all of the Master series. The buckle gauge can be specified as a standalone unit or as part of a cluster, with the back end and axial load modules. Additional gauge modules can be specified at the time of purchase or added in the future. Can delivery is via a manually loaded or automatically fed conveyor, with the option of multiple lanes. Only Sencon's automatic buckle gauge delivers low running costs, two diameters handled without change parts, and a flexible modular design.